All right. So I wanted to go over first time kind of card pack. I bought the Topps Now 2025 All-Star Edition. This is the Cal Raleigh Home Run Derby champion. It's from 714. I bought a bunch. I don't know how much I bought, but I brought a pretty thick stack. And 99% of the cards are the same, except one. So one card came out different, and that is this one. As you can see, it is the Big Dumper, and a little bit different than the other one, whereas the other one says just Cal Raleigh. This one says the Big Dumper. So the Big Dumper is 427 SP versus 427. So pretty cool special print out of that. But dang, I had to order a bunch and it got here pretty quick. The other part of the All-Star 2025 that I ordered was just the 19 pack set of Topps cards. And so I already took the tape off. This is tape 2. I was opening them up upside down. So we'll see if this is any better. And so this is the pack that they come in. And we'll go through these here. And, they're really nice cards, good color on the front and back. But, as I was going through these, I was curious as to why Topps did not use pictures from the game. Like these took forever to get here. So these were taken 7/15, and it's now August something, late mid-August. And so I'm curious as to why they couldn't use, because we got the Cal Raleigh taken from the game. So curious as to why they couldn't use All-Star pictures, but some pretty cool pictures in here. I like this Ryan card, cool orange picture. Manny. Jose. And the last one, rookie card, Jacob Wilson here. So no hits out of this one. You can get gold. You can get signed cards. And I kind of knew that there were going to be no hits out of this pack. The way Topps does it, I feel like the way they do it is if you get one of these Topps Now, when they send you the packs of cards, in the kind of like in the invoice, it says if you got a hit or not. So when I got the Cal Raleigh packs, it said, hey, you got a hit in here, which was the Big Dumper hit. And so, no hit out of this 19 card pack, but still pretty cool cards in here and very happy with it. So thank you so much for watching. First time. Hopefully some more.